Guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This well-appointed 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom single-story dwelling is located in the quiet neighborhood of Rosedale Crescent in May Pen Clarendon. The house consists of an entrance foyer, living room, dining room, kitchen, master bedroom with ensuite bathroom and walk-in closed closet, 2 other bedrooms sharing a bathroom, powder room, TV room, back porch, laundry room, covered carport with automatic garage door and storeroom. The land area is approximately 7,976 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 27 million or US $175.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.